Afternoon, good afternoon. How are you? How are you all? Yeah, I was asking the question about how to use this Hollywood app, and I keep being asked the same question. So I've decided to show how to play Lotto numbers on the Hollywood app. Yeah. Now, so when they start, when you are registering with Hollywood, you must make sure that you verify your document, like your proof of address and the ID. Proof of address should be the bank statement. Now, after you verify your document, they will show this. They will not show you the FICA. FICA is meaning to verify the documents. So you can see me, I'm verified. That's why you can see any word FICA. Right? Alright, so here is where you click to hide your amount, how much money you have there. You click there and then the money will be shown. If you click there again, money will hide. Here is where you click to withdraw the money. Alright? Here is where you click to check the betting, where your bet slip, if you won or how you lost and so on. Alright? And you can also buy your airtime on Hollywood app if you have money on the app. There is also to buy airtime. Yeah, and here is to check the result, and you can use a data free mode. The data free mode also is available. I don't like to use it. Now I wanted to show you how you bet on this Hollywood. For example, we're gonna focus on betting. Alright, to put the money in Hollywood, a voucher, you just put here on deposit. If you want to use your bank card to top up there, you can just click it there. You will see it's now when you want to play Lotto numbers, you can click here on today's lucky numbers. Today's lucky number will show you all the lottos that will be available today. Now, if you want to check the other lotto which will happen tomorrow or after tomorrow, you will click here lucky numbers. Let's go back to home. When you want for the lotto that is happening the same day, you're gonna click today's lucky numbers. For the lotto that will happen after, maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow, so on, you click lucky numbers, which is here. Lucky numbers, right? Lucky numbers. Sorry, I click it wrong. So here is where you deposit. Online deposit, it's use your bank card or other way of depositing. Then you can see also we have a voucher, top up a voucher, EFT, and online deposit. Online deposit, you can see you have a lot of companies. Rather than that, we have also a banking card. Use your bank account card, the card. You fill the card number, the PIN, expiry date, then you just fill also the amount you wanna pay. You click on it, depending on which card you use, credit card or debit card, or direct bank deposit. It means you're gonna use your bank account straight away. They will deduct from the account without using the card. Now we're going to lucky numbers is where you choose. If you click here, they will show you the list of the lotto that will happen the same day today. If you click here, they will show you the countries. Then you know that lotto which country is in it. Then you click on it. So let's click on today's lucky numbers. How to use the Hollywood app to bet on lucky numbers. This is the main purpose of this video because of the most asked the question. At the end of the video, I will show you how to play Yankee on this Hollywood app as well. Remember to subscribe, to like, to share, and also to join the VIP group. My phone number is 06777 29 841. In case you want to join us, this is a phone number, guys. You see that? Now look at this one. You can see there is as Arizona, Russia again, UK 49, drive time. Do you see that? I don't know why I clicked. It's looking disappearing, right? Now, you know which lotto you want. Now, your prediction say UK 49. Then you have to check the lotto which is called UK 49. Then your prediction say we have UK 49 lunch time, UK 49 tea time, we have UK 49 branch time, we have UK 49 drive time. Don't be confused. Branch time comes almost 10 minutes to 1 o'clock. Then lunch time comes 10 minutes to 2 o'clock. Then drive time come 10 minutes to 6. Tea time come 10 minutes to 7. So we have a UK 49 4 draws, right? Alright. So if you wanna play UK 49 drive time, the early tea time, you can go to the early tea time. You click on that same lotto. You come there. Then you choose your number. For example, today our hot number was 1122. Then you add it to bed slip. After clicking on the numbers, you click add to bed slip, right? Add it to bed slip is here. When you click it there, it will come to the bucket of where your bets will be, so that you go to play. Then let's say we have another pair. Let's say we have maybe 2249. This is our winning for today. Then you click it there. Do you see that? So that is also another pair, right? You add it to bed slip. Let's say we have a 22, 43, 44, 43, 44. Then you add it to bed slip. Click like fill here. Touch there. It will be added. Then maybe you want to play more numbers. Let's say we have a 33 again, right? Then after doing that, it depends on how many numbers, how many tickets you're gonna play. Then you just click here on slip, here bet slip. Just open your bet slip so that you can go to stake. Now I click there, the bet slip will come. Do you see that? Now the bet slip come, you can see it's automatically showing that you want to stake 10 rand, but you don't have that 10 rand. What you gonna do? You're gonna click here, stake. Once you click here, this 10 will disappear. Then you put your amount you want to stake. So meaning stake per bet. You can see stake per bet, meaning that the amount you write here will be staken on each ticket. Whether it's 50 tickets, just doesn't matter. Let's say put 1 rand. If I put 1 rand, each ticket will be 1 rand, because there are 2 tickets. That's why they say total cost is 2 rand, right? Then you click submit. You click submit your ticket. Once I click here on submit, then the ticket will go. They deduct the money also from my balance. The money will be deducted from the balance as well. So let me click there. You see that? It goes one by one. Now, success. The bet is already gone. We just use 2 rand to teach, Now, so it means that now we're done with drive time. Now you click here to return. Click on here on your phone. Down on your phone there is a returning button. It's a setting from your phone. You come back to see which lotto you want to play. If there is any name of the lotto you want to play, you click there, today's lotto. If you want to play things that will happen after a week or so, you click on lucky number, so that you check that country, which country that lotto is in. Then you select that lotto. I'll show you also. Now we finished with try time. Let's try also tea time, right? tea time, it's called on Hollywood, they call tea time evening draw. Hollywood call tea time evening draw, right? Now, they say we have same ticket, 22, 43, 44, 49. They already played them. Don't play them. All right. So the other number that we have today, for example, is 8, 18, and 47. Right. So now you can see that we have a 5 ticket most. I click, I add to bed slip. Click, add it to bed slip. When I'm adding, when it's already on the list, then you open the slip by clicking here. Here. Right? Then I click it there with my hand. Then you can see we have a 5 ticket. Now it said the total cost, it's always automatically add 10 rand. It's automatic. Now you have to delete that 10 rand so that you don't have it to overstake or stake a lot of things. Then you click there on to stake a pay bet. Then you put 1 rand. You want to click it there with your hand, it just 10 rand disappear, then you put your own amount. Then you say okay, you can see they say total cost is 5 rand. Total cost is 5 rand, run and paid stake. Then you click submit. Alright, so meaning that if you submit it, doesn't matter how many tickets you played, but always remember to change your bet pay, your stake per bet, because otherwise Hollywood has automatically set the 10 rand, which means that if you play 20 tickets, you spend 200 rand. In a blink of an eye, your balance will be finished. So just take a rest. Now, I'm gonna teach you how to play, because on Hollywood we have what we call a Yankee. In between this video, I'm going to show you how to play Yankee in this video. You're going to say, when you want to play Yankee, Yankee is automatically pairs of 2 numbers and 3 numbers and 1 ticket straight away. 1 ticket straight away. For example, if I want to play Yankee, let's say I have a 23, right? I have a 8. You click each number and you add it to bet slip. When you want to play Yankee, each number alone, you add it to bet slip alone. Let me add 8. I click add bet slip. You can see they're saying successful added 8. Now you delete that 8. You click another number. Let's choose another number with you. We choose the 3. We choose the 8. And then we can also say 18. Okay, let's say 16. We add to bet slip. Then you add also 18. It's an example, right? Now that is a tea time. Now you come, you open your bet, you click there by bet slip, you add each number alone, then you come back to bet slip. So this is step 2 on you how to use Hollywood. Now you will click here to turn into the single numbers you added into the combination. You can see multiples and the singles. Singles, if I play as a single, each number will go alone, but by multiple they will combine the numbers automatically. Let's click multiple. Then it will come as a yellow like this. Then you click here more options. More options, right? Then you click on Yankee. It's called Yankee. Then you click how much amount you want to bet with. Then I'll put 1 rand. It's just for education. I just want to teach you. Now, when you play, you can see that there will be 11 ticket. If you want 11 ticket, so meaning that they deserve to be staked like 11 rand. But you see, let's consider I don't have the money. They will just put 1 rand. Each ticket will be having 0.09 rand. 0.09 rand. So it's 90 cents. 90 cents, not even 10 cents. 90 cents. Now, when you finish, you click here on press your bet. Yeah, that's where you're gonna click. Then it's done. You see that? It's done. Now, I'm gonna show you. We finished to see how to play use Hollywood. Now we're going back to the home to show you something else. Now we are on home side. Okay, when you are here, when you click on lucky numbers, you see that I want to show you. Click here. Then you want to see UK49. So UK49 is in the United Kingdom. When you play South African Lotto, South African Daily Lotto, Lotto Plus, and so on, and the Powerball, you check it in South Africa. So each lotto has its own country, Russia. In Russia, we find the lotto which called Ghost Lotto. You see, Russian Ghost Lotto 645, 420, and so on, 749, 645 plus, and Ghost Lotto 550. Do you see that? This is they found in Russia. You see, each country has its own lotto. Let's say we are in Greece. Greece evening extra, Greece lotto draw, Greece power numbers, Greece afternoon extra 5. So each country has its own lotto. So that is how you find it. So for example, on the group we like to play USA Mega Million. USA Mega Million is found in United States. You will scroll down and check the country. In case you want to play before, let me say, for example, we have in United States, for example. Then you see, there are many lottos. Then you're gonna check which lotto you like to play. We like to play Mega Million. We like to play Mega Million. Mega Million. Where is it? USA Mega Million. It's called USA Mega Million, so you can find it at the end because it's not time yet for it to play. It's gonna play on a Tuesday. USA Mega Million will play on 21st of July. You will click on it. So in case you are looking for the lotto which is not gonna play same day, you click on lucky numbers, you check the country. After checking the country, then